Tonight, there are 2 cases of the measles in the Metro East, and both are in Madison County. Justina Coronel has been covering the trail of possible exposures. She's in studio to break down the details. Justina?
Again, those 2 cases are in Madison County, so let's break down those 2 cases. We know that the first case is connected to the second case. The only issue here is when I reach back out to the Madison County Health Department, I ask, how are they connected? Are they friends? Are they family? Did patient 1 impact someone, a patient 2 maybe out when they were out and about, but due to privacy concerns, they said that they could not tell us, so that is still unknown. Now let's go back to the first case. We know the first measles patient traveled through St. Louis Lambert International Airport February 7th. Then the very next day, they went to Good Shepherd Lutheran Church in Collinsville. So those are the first 2 locations. Since then, we know that there are 5 additional exposed locations. We do not know if patient 1 or patient 2 or both went to these locations, but we just want you to be aware of these possible exposure spots. So our first is YMCA Meyer Center in Edwardsville. This is February 11th from 7:30 p.m. to 11:30 that night. Now let's go to the next location, which is Fozzie's Restaurant in Collinsville. This is at lunchtime, February 13th from 12:30 to 3:30 that afternoon. Now our third location takes us to Valentine's Day. This is Schnucks in Edwardsville from 9:30 that morning to noon. Now we're going to go for our fourth location. It is still Valentine's Day, but now we're in Walmart in Glen Carbon from 10:15 that morning to 12:30. And then for our last location, we're staying in Glen Carbon at the Discount Tire, also on Valentine's Day from 11 that morning to 2:15. So again, just keep in mind any of these locations around those time. If you are experiencing symptoms, something to keep track of. Right now, the health department is contact tracing for all the people that they can identify in all 5 of those locations, or really I should say 6 or 7, including Lambert and as well as the church. Now today I spoke to an SSM Health doctor explaining how vicious this virus can be.
It is not a mild disease. You know, it is possible that a small subset of people do have a more mild, but in general, it tends to be a pretty nasty infection. About 20% of children have to be hospitalized because of it.
Now, if you're wondering whether the vaccine you received as a kid is still effective, the answer is yes. If you don't remember if you received one, doctors tell me it's okay to get another shot. If you believe you're exposed, reach out to your local doctor or health department.